some problems on the ring theory. The question is, we know that this is an abelian group with respect to plus and multiply, means R plus is an abelian group. So to prove a ring, we have to show only that R multiply follow the distributive law and associativity. We know to prove a ring, 6 properties are there, but if we prove that R plus is an abelian group, then we have to show only R is associative with respect to multiplication and distributive property. Then we will prove that R plus dot is a ring. So first I am showing that this follow the associative property. Two 1 is 2, divided by 6, remainder is 2. 2 2 is 4, divided by 6, remainder is 4. 2 3 is 6, divided by 6, remainder is 0. Same as remainders here. we can check in this table for associativity. It means it follows the associativity. I have said the multiplication follows the associativity. This is associative. It means we can write लिखने का तरीका है एसोसिएटिविटी को किसी भी तीन एलिमेंट्स के लिए फर्दर अब हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रूव करना है. वी टेक ABC 3 real numbers. Now not real, sorry, from set we write this one as we are proving that multiplication distributive on plus, so we write this one. As this one, the remainder, it means the remainder when A into B plus C is divided by 6. The remainder when A into B plus C means AB plus AC by 6. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं हम. इसको फिर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. It is distributive property. Thank you.